How to add a background photo when sharing a feed post to your Instagram stories. If any day you're trying to share a feed post to your Instagram stories and you would like to add a background photo to it, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Instagram application on your mobile device and tap on Instagram like this. Now, after you tap on Instagram like this, Instagram will be launched on your mobile device. After that, you can go to your profile icon and then tap on any of the posts that you like to share. You have to go to the share like icon there and go to the option of copy the link. After that, you can go back and then go to the option of your story. Now, in your story, you can tap like this. Now you can tap on any of the pictures or any of the photos that you like to keep. Now after you tap on the picture or the photo like this, now in the very AA icon you have to tap on the link of the very background post or the very post or the feed, and after that you have to do done and share it. So this is the way on how you can share your Facebook feed post to your Instagram stories by also keeping a background photo to it. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.